Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here from Cinema Sound. Today we're going to be talking about another aspect of doing your own film scores and orchestra score type things, original scores in the box. And today we're going to be talking about the wonder of harp, celeste, glockenspiel, and piano. Let's roll. We're here in Logic Pro, and we're going to be just playing some instruments here in my template, just to demonstrate how awesome and mysterious really wonder that celeste, harp, piano, and glockenspiel add to a score in a gentle way. I've got a harp pulled up here. This is the Spitfire harp, which we've talked about in other videos. And we've talked about how to build glisses with this before. But when we add celeste, and this is the celeste from Vienna Instruments, when we put these together, it just adds a really interesting, beautiful mystery. An innocence, if you will. And, you know, all those kinds of things. Just all kinds of innocent, sometimes hijinks even. But let's add this to a little track that I've put together here from one of our favorite melodies from Hook. Let's see here. So that's harp and celeste. What happens if we do this with piano? And this is a crummy piano sound. I'm going to say just a really basic one. Let's not drown it in the verb. Well, I'll tell you what, let's drown it this way. This is Quantum Leap Spaces, which is the verb that I'm using here. We're just going to turn down the wet signal a bit. And when we add this with glockenspiel, which is that metal thing you see sometimes in marching bands, you can get some really lovely results. So we're going to add that to this horrible piano sound just to demonstrate. And same thing here. And I'm holding the sustain pedal down. And we're going out of the range. Nice blue note there. So it's really interesting, the difference between these two and the other two. Let's bring this up here. Much more delicate. You can put them all together. Which is super nice. It gets a little heavy-handed with the glockenspiel in there, of course. One of the things to note, however, is that when you're doing this, you really don't want to play them all together. One of the things that makes it really human to have these kinds of delicate things is to not have them all trigger at the same time, which is what would happen if you were to, link them all together and play them all at the same time. So what you want to do is play at least 2 passes of them, ideally 4 passes, if you're going to use all 4. And that gives them that human error that would definitely take place at a slow tempo in a real live orchestra. So now let's take the harp and the piano, which is another nice sound. Let's put that together. It's a little more metropolitan to put piano with anything, as opposed to with that celeste. The minute you put celeste with anything, it's super innocent. Even celeste and piano. But it brings wonder in a way that's just never there otherwise. Hopefully you found a lot of value out of this video. If so, please subscribe to this channel. There's a whole bunch of videos available here for music and sound in general for film and picture. And definitely come visit us at cinemasound.com, where we have the world's only fully comprehensive education for sound for picture. Everything from, I don't know how to do sound for picture at all the way to getting Hollywood level 5.1 results and in your exports. And a lot of other education as well. Again, we invite you to Cinema Sound, and until we see you there, we'll see you in post.
Even if for yourself.